My final new technology that I chose was Cool Kindergarten, and I chose this one specifically because I'm always looking for different ways to get the students to do independent learning, and this is a great way to do that. That way I can lead a center group while I have some others on a tablet or a Chromebook playing this Cool Kindergarten website. So, um, the goal for this would be to create fun learning experiences for the kids and a new way to listen to stories. I always am reading stories aloud to the kids, and they love that. And I found this website that they can listen to stories for free. So here's a selection of the stories, which is also really nice that they gave pictures with the titles. Um, that way because in kindergarten they don't know how to read, and so they can just click on the story and then it opens up right to somebody else reading it. So it's very user friendly. Um, Another thing that was great for this, let me go back. Go back, then there is also a math activities that they can do also. And so if I were to click the videos for math, it goes directly into different things that kindergartners might learn in math. So there's numbers, shapes, team numbers, counting to 100. All of these things are things that you can work on in math, and it wouldn't necessarily matter which one they were working on as long as they were engaged in the activity and following along. So let's say we click on monster numbers. So here's a video again to teach them that a 1 and a 0 makes a 10. So different ways to form the numbers. This hits standard for teachers 4C, using tools to expand students' real-world learning experiences by engaging virtually with experts, teams, and students locally and globally. So watching videos from other people around the world and how they create it is just another way for students to pick up on that. Along with math, they do have little mini lessons. And it's very similar to the video portion. You click which area you want to work on. And then let's say you want to work on counting how many, and then there's a game for the kids to play. So it just links right up to an activity to go along with that. This website, I feel like, really hits the ITSE standards for Teachers 6A, because it fosters a culture where students take ownership of their own learning goals. So they can work on whatever they think they need to work on. So whether it's math or reading, and then they can click on the area too that they need to work on. So maybe it's ABCs or rhymes. Let's say they want to work on rhymes. Then there's many lessons that go with it to work on that specific thing. So here again, I clicked on rhymes, and then here's a game to go along with it. So I feel like this website is geared directly to kindergarten. It's called Cool Kindergarten. It was made by a teacher, so she knows what the kindergartners need at this level, and it's really easy to follow along, and that's what I like about it most.